Good day, my people. You all are welcome. Look at that picture on your screen. And that picture, it wrote, Tinubu sends intelligence teams to Benue over massacre. Asks Governor Alia to convene farmers' headers peace meetings. This was the statement made by Tinubu over the killings in Benue State, whereby Fulani herdsmen killed 200 people and burnt them. They burnt 200 people to ashes in Benue State. And look at the comments of a president. He is saying that herders and farmers meeting should be held in Benue State. He not even dey talk say make he send army go Benue forest to catch all those herdsmen to kill them. No be that one he dey talk. Wetin just dey do na to do peace meeting with terrorists during the Fubara issue in Rivers State. Just because dem burst pipeline, set pipeline ablaze, Tinubu declared Rivers State a state of emergency. Tinubu did not declare state of emergency in Rivers State because people were killed there, because that time nobody was killed. He declared state of emergency in Rivers State because they were busting pipelines there. They did not lose any life there. Now just pipeline they burst. Tinubu declared Rivers State a state of emergency. Pack army full Rivers State. Why? They burst crude oil pipeline. Now in Benue State, 200 people were burnt alive. 200 people were burnt to ashes. Tinubu did not declare state of emergency in Benue State. Instead, he is calling for a peace meeting between Fulani herdsmen that are killing people and between farmers. Nothing we not go see for this country called Nigeria. Politicians are just here for the resources. They are here for what is benefiting them, not for the life of the citizens. Politicians in Nigeria are defending Fulani herdsmen. When the community that they are killing arise to defend themselves, now that time you go see police and army. They arrest people, say they won't defend themselves. Just imagine, look at what the president of a country is saying. To do peace meeting between people where they kill people and the people where they kill. Like, you want to do peace meeting between the wolf and the prey. You know where they do peace meeting between goat and yam? This is very bad. The life of people no matter again for this country. Now the interest of Fulani herdsmen and cow matter for this country. We don't want open grazing again. Fulani should take back their cow. They should take back their cow. If they're not going to do rank, keep their cows for them. May they carry their cow, go back to the north. But when we say this, the evil leaders in the south will not agree. If they say may they stop open grazing for southwest Nigeria now, you go see so many evil people, so many cursed people go come out online. They don't say, why are they ending open grazing? They should leave open grazing. If they say, we don't want open grazing in Igbo land, both the Igbos in the middle belt, Igbos in the southeast, Igbos in the south, you go see some evil kings and politicians go to tell you, say, why are you people trying to stop open grazing? Every tribe have evil people among them. Those evil people will always represent the evil that they are. People are dying because of this open grazing. And when people condemn open grazing, this set of evil people go to defend open grazing. Igbo leaders should wake up. This same thing that they are doing in Benue State, they are still doing it in Igbo land. Herdsmen are killing people in Igbo land. What are the Igbo traditional rulers doing? Nothing. What are Igbo governors doing? Nothing. What are the religious leaders in Igbo land doing? Nothing. Religious leaders are busy praying. Instead of stopping this menace, they are busy. Now pray that they pray. Traditional rulers are busy giving titles to these politicians that are keeping quiet while our people are being killed. The wealthy men in Igbo land are busy spraying money in parties. They spray money. How much is money? Ego nebu ego. How much be money? They are busy spraying money while their people are dying back home. Leaders not get sense. The rich ones not get sense. The common man where they say their own are to they support all these rich ones will not get sense, and these traditional rulers will not get sense. They support bad politicians will not get sense. People they die, you not consign all these people. That's when they kill your people. You they give Tinubu title. See what in Tinubu they talk. Yet, if you talk this thing finish, if you come in land, traditional rulers go give them title. Even as Tinubu is making this statement, some animals are supporting him, defending him. People are dying. Few days ago, people were killed in the Hamufu community again. Fulani Herdsmen slaughtered more than 11 people. The governor of Enugu State did nothing. He not do anything. And when we speak against that governor, you go still see animals in human form go they defend that governor. So they say, our governor build road for us, our governor build flyover for us, our governor do this one. Also, if Fulani Herdsmen kill the people of Enugu State finish, which people go use all those road and flyover where they do? The duty of a leader is to protect human life. Human life is very important. If king they kill the people where in the rule, which people go rule tomorrow? Human life first. But some people don't care. I am very concerned in human life. Who go, don't go. Country where we say president not get head, governor not get head, traditional rulers not get head, religious leaders not get head. The masses where even they suffer, they not get head. Look at how people are dying. President not even feel provide security. His concern is crude oil. They bust one pipeline, you go declare state of emergency for that place. Fulani Herdsmen kill 200 people. You not concern you. You just want to do peace talk. Hey, whoa. Talk where they say you not good for human being here. Not going to we see for this country. Igbo leaders, wake up. Let's protect Igbo land. My concern is let's protect Igbo land. Igbo land should be protected. Let's do everything possible to save ourselves from this menace that is happening now, because the target of this Fulani Herdsmen is Igbo land, because they know that only Igbo land is holding this country. Their agenda is to take over our land. So they have to make sure that they take over Benue State, Kogi State, Plateau State, all those places. They want to make sure that if they take over all those places, the next target is Igbo land. Our governors not get that concern. Their own are to they wear suits up and down. They deceive those their blind followers. Everybody where they do evil, that evil they wait them for front to consume them. Ishe wale.